Means that every room is a nice, warm, working temperature. Absolutely brilliant. Financially, we'll be much better off. It's got to get used to having a different kind of gentle heat. The fact that you got £7,500 grant for doing it. I had heard that it's not successful in some homes, but I think it's probably because people have to get used to a slightly different system. Instead of having one room really hot and the rest of the house or bungalow cold, here it means that every room is a nice, warm, working temperature. Absolutely brilliant. If it hadn't have been, being a retired teacher, I would have told them, but they were really very good indeed. I just think their professionalism, them checking with me if they had any thoughts or problems. They even put sticky plastic all over the carpets so that they could walk in and out without taking shoes on and off, and took it all away. All the stuff was taken away. It was excellent throughout. Obviously, the bungalow gets warm anyway, and then the air source heat pump switches itself off. But at night, when the temperature drops, unfortunately, it's been quite cold recently, there's just that gentle heat throughout the whole of the bungalow at night, so it's a delight to get up in the morning. I would tell them to go for it. I think you've just got to get used to having a different kind of gentle heat throughout the property. Financially, we'll be much better off. I don't know, the only other thing we could consider is improving the windows, because we've got some quite big windows here. But unless that was supported by a healthy grant from the government, no, we wouldn't be doing it.